You may think you need a special tool to make perfect envelopes, but you don't. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make envelopes for most any greeting card with just a few simple tools like a score and trim board, scissors, and glue. But before I make an envelope, I need paper. I decided to print my own design using the Flowers Everywhere collection from YayDay Paper Co. I printed it on double-sided matte paper to create a built-in envelope liner, which is super fun. Now that I have my pretty paper, it's time to make an envelope. To make an envelope that fits an A6 card, you'll need to trim down an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock to measure 7 3/4 inch by 10 3/8 inch. Place it on a square board and add 1/2 inch square marks on both sides of the paper. Flip the paper around and score at 1 7/8 inch, and then at 6 3/4 inch. These may sound like really specific measurements, but they're really easy to find on this We Are Memory Keepers trim and score board since it's marked at every 1/8 of an inch. Cut out the corners on all 4 sides of the paper. Use the score lines as your guide. You'll want to cut just below the score lines you made for the top and bottom flaps. This will make it easier to fold them over. Next, fold in all 4 sides. You could also use a bone folder like the one I have here for a crisper line. Now it's time to form the actual envelope. Add adhesive to the sides of the bottom flap. A tape runner works really well for this step. Fold the bottom flap up and press down to make sure it's adhered. You could leave your top flap as is, or you could use a corner punch like this one for a more decorative look. I like to flip my punch over so I can make sure my paper is in the correct spot. Now that the envelope is ready, all you need to do is add your card to the inside. To secure the top, use a tape runner along all 3 sides of the flap. This will help secure your envelope, especially if you're popping it into the mail. You could also add a sticker for a more decorative touch. I hope this envelope has inspired you to get creative with your envelopes now that you know how easy it is to make your own. Visit the link below for exact measurements and how to make 2 other envelopes to perfectly fit other common card sizes. Thanks for watching!